Hello everyone, today's video is a recipe on a meatloaf. This meatloaf is going to be an anti-aging meatloaf. I'm adding ingredients to give it more flavor and more vitamins and minerals to help you, to help us as we're getting older. And it's going to make it a little bit more tastier as well. So what I have here, I have a 1 cup of sauce. Inside the sauce, I squeezed out 1 full bowl of garlic. I have an onion, tomatoes, and I took the seeds out of the tomatoes and skinned it, removed the skin. Same with pepper. I'm an orange pepper. I removed the skin and took the seeds out. And I have artichokes. I have 1 egg because the meatloaf I'm doing is only like a 2.19 pound. I have salt, pepper, turmeric, and breadcrumbs. And then the pan I'm going to do it in, and what I'm going to do is butter this up so it don't stick. Just do it around the sides. Plus, when it cooks too, the butter gives it a little bit more flavor as well. Next I'm gonna, I use gloves, but it's up to you. We'll go ahead and put the meat into the bowl. Go ahead and make the egg. Squeeze that in there. Mix that all in. Now go ahead and add sauce. And actually I could do the whole 1 cup. Then mix that all in there. Then we'll go ahead and season it with the salt. Then the pepper. Then the turmeric. And mix that all in. Taste it and see if it needs any more seasoning. I'm going to add more salt. A little bit more pepper. Turmeric. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to add some onion. So far I did 2 handfuls. Add some artichokes. peppers, tomatoes, mix it in. You can use more. I'm going to add another handful of onions, artichokes. You can actually use all of them. Pepper, tomato. The tomatoes and the peppers are high in vitamin C, so that helps build collagen and helps fight off infections. So it's not just going to make you glow from the inside out, it's going to help you health-wise as well. Getting all them vitamins and minerals that you need and potassium. I'm actually going to add the rest. So it took a full onion, a small onion, a half of a pepper, and a full tomato. But again, the tomato and the pepper, the seeds were removed, the skin was removed, and all sliced up. And I'll add the breadcrumbs. And the beef, this is lean beef, so it's perfect for protein. The breadcrumbs has Italian seasoning in it, so it gives it more flavor as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pan and just mold it to the shape I want. I had the oven preheated on 375. And I'm going to put this in for 50 minutes to an hour. It depends on your your oven. I have gas heat. And I used to have electric, so it does cook differently. Okay. Get tinfoil, wrap it. So it holds the heat and it cooks evenly. And I'll put it in my oven for an hour because I know how my oven cooks. So it'll take an hour for me. Okay, I'll be back once it's complete. Okay, it's complete and it looks so good. Let's cut a piece off and give it a try. Still real hot because it's right out of the oven. Very good, very tasty. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed as of yet, then please subscribe. And like always, have a happy, fun, safe, and blessed day. Bon appetit.